Good morning, y'all, and welcome to My 2 Cents Friday. Listen, parents may disagree, but I'm going to say it anyway. You know I am. And I brought my notes to talk because we going to talk about today. Parents, we need to start back reading with our kids. Listen, we done stopped reading and done started watching the YouTube videos and scrolling on TikTok, and we missing a lot of time with our kids. You are your child's first teacher, so we gonna have to start back reading with our babies. You can read with them up until they fifth and sixth grade. Still read with them. Y'all can start a book club at home where y'all reading the same book and we talk about it at the dinner table. Or if we don't have time to sit at the dinner table, talk about it on your way home from church. Or if they got football practice, hey, we got to talk about this before we get out this car to go to football practice. We need to talk about our book. What you read today? Oh, how did you see that? Da, 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 this happened, that happened. We got to do something because we losing this generation, y'all. We got to start having some conversations with our babies. We got to start having some time and space in your day needs to be dedicated to reading with your babies, talking with your babies, doing some type of word work. Even like that Pee Wee Herman show used to do the word of the day. Every time you say this word a day, you will get this or get a piece of, you get $1. Here we go. The day's word is hierarchy. And every time you say hierarchy in a sentence and use it correctly, you will get $1. Something like that, parents. Y'all got to do something to incentivize your kids to read. Get them off of those tablets. Before you get on the tablet, before you get on the TV, anything, I'm going to need you to read at least 20 minutes. So your tablet and phone stays in my bedroom with me. Parents, it's going to be hard because your kids are going to bitterly resist it. But your phone, your tablet, your TV remote, because now the TV, you can't hardly turn them on without the remote. Your TV remote, your phone, tablet, everything, laptop, stays in my room until you have read for 20 minutes and you can tell me what you read about. That's something easy. Start the day with reading before you lock them tablets up. And the only way to unlock that tablet, maybe I might need to get AI to invent that. I might have an invention. You gotta read, and then AI can listen to it read for 20 minutes. You gotta read for 20 minutes before your phone is unlocked. Let me think about that invention. Anyway, parents, listen, we got to win our kids back. Take some time to just talk with them. Even if you don't want to read, you might not know how to read that good either. But just because you can't do it, don't limit your kids. Take some time and have conversations with your child. All of y'all get off them tablets. And if you can't read that good, maybe you should spend 20 minutes a day reading before you get on your tablet. Or let AI read to you. Sometimes I don't feel like reading. So I will take the document and copy and paste it. And I put it either in Microsoft Word or one of those and You can ask AI to read it to you and put it in one of those reading apps. And I just say, can you read this to me? Because I don't feel like I don't feel like reading, so I'ma just follow along as they read. You can do that too. Sometimes I get an audiobook and I'm listening to the audiobook, but I'm following along with the words. As they read, I'm following along. Because sometimes I'm a lazy reader, and that's okay. But the point is, I will say, and I'm a hush, parents, spend more time with your children. That's the whole point. Whether it's reading, whether it's talking, whether it's cooking, spend more time with your children. That's not a hard ask. I love y'all. And remember, where the spirit of learning is, there is liberty.